Reset by Revenue Expert Insider.
Let me ask you something. Would you ever run your home without knowing how much money is coming in and how much is going out? Imagine you're paying for groceries, electricity, school fees, little outings, but you never once check your income or savings. That would feel completely out of control, right? Now think about your hotel. Rooms are getting sold. Guests are checking in. Weekends look busy. But at the end of the month, you look at your bank account and think, why is there nothing left? If you've ever felt that way, this episode is for you. Because by the end of this conversation, you'll know three simple numbers: ARR, RevPAR, and TrevPAR that can help you understand what your hotel is actually earning, see where your revenue is leaking, and most importantly, start making revenue management decisions for your hotel on your own, even without a big team or fancy software. Yes, systems and tools will help you grow, but to start, you just need a pen, paper, calculator, and 15 minutes of clear thinking. Before we get to it, hi, I'm Gitika Bhari. I've spent over 2 decades working in hotels, leading revenue management, distribution, technology, and commercial strategy. And now I work with hotel owners and students to make revenue management practical and easy. This is not about buzzwords. It's about fixing the real problems you face every day. Let's start with a story, because what happened to Arun happens to a lot of hotel owners. Arun owns a 30-room hotel in Ajmer. He is hands-on, handles everything from bookings to breakfast. The weekends at his hotel are always packed. He gets weddings on a regular basis too. Watch his story.
So, how is business?
Well, not so great, dear. Every month, same story. Nothing left in the bank. I am losing money.
Why? How much is your ARR and RevPAR?
ARR. What?
Exactly. If you don't know, you need to know. Okay?
Revenue Expert Insider. Come on and let's go. Revenue Expert Insider. Gonna help you to grow. Revenue Expert Insider. More to see, more to know. Revenue Expert Insider. Revenue Expert Insider.
Let's start with ARR. Average room rate. It just means the average price you're selling your rooms for. It is simple math. Arun sells 10 rooms in one night. Some at 3,000, some at 4,000, some at 5,000. His total revenue is 43,000. The ARR would be 43,000 divided by 10 rooms, 4,300. ARR tells you average selling rate, not the highest, not the lowest, just the average. Now, why does this matter? If ARR is dropping, it usually means you're discounting more than you should. If ARR is low, even when you're full, your pricing strategy needs a check. But here's the catch. ARR only looks at rooms that were sold. It completely ignores the ones that sat empty. That's a problem, because you still paid for the electricity, the front desk, the linen, even for the rooms that didn't get sold. That's why ARR alone doesn't give you the full picture. Now comes RevPAR, revenue per available room. This number includes all rooms, whether they were sold or not. Let's say Arun has 30 rooms. Yesterday he made 45,000 from rooms. His RevPAR will be 45,000 divided by 30, 1,500. Now here's where it gets interesting and important. Let's say his cost per room per day, including salaries, electricity, OTA commissions, maintenance, is 1,200. So even at 1,500 RevPAR, he is only making 300 per room. Not bad, but not great either. And if RevPAR drops to 1,000, he is actually losing 200 per room. Quietly, not even realizing maybe. That's why RevPAR is so powerful. It shows you your real income per room. Not just that looks good on paper. When Arun started looking at RevPAR, he realized weekends were covering up weekday losses. Full rooms don't always mean full profits. RevPAR tells you when your hotel is working and when it's just running. Now, let's go one step further. One guest books a room for 3,000. They also have dinner, 1,200, laundry, 400, cab to the airport, 800. The guest spends 5,400. So why are we only counting the 3,000 rupee? That's where RevPAR comes in. Total revenue per available room. Let's say Arun made 45,000 from the rooms, 25,000 from food and beverage, 5,000 from extras. That's 75,000 in total from 30 rooms. RevPAR is 2,500. Now you're not just tracking the room, you're tracking the guest. RevPAR helps you spot your best guests, the ones who stay, spend, engage with your hotel. Not just those who pay high for the room. Now you might be thinking, all this is good for big chains. I run a small hotel. Let me tell you, big chains already have teams, dashboards, and analysts. But you're doing it all on your own. That's exactly why you need clarity in numbers. Because once you track just these three things, ARR, RevPAR, and TrevPAR, even on paper, you will see what's working and what's not. You will know when your pricing is off. You'll know which guest is truly valuable. And you'll stop guessing every time you change your rate.
That was amazing. Fantastic.
Even Arun started with simple Excel sheet. That's all you need to begin. So here's what I want you to try this week. Take your last 7 days of bookings. Sit down and calculate. Number 1, ARR. Total room revenue divided by rooms sold. RevPAR. Room revenue divided by total available rooms or total inventory of the hotel. TrevPAR. Total revenue from rooms plus F&B plus extras divided by total number of rooms. That's it. No software, no complicated formulas. Just these three numbers and you will start seeing your hotel clearly. Yes, systems will help later. But for now, you can manage your revenue decisions on your own. Once you stop running the hotel on feelings and start managing it with facts, everything starts changing. I keep breaking down revenue management for independent hoteliers. Simply, practically, with real life examples. Because you deserve better revenue and better clarity no matter how big or small your hotel is. Follow me or post your questions in the comment section below. This is Gitika signing off.
Revenue expert insider.